This isn't just protection, it's an art. Paint protection film is more than a barrier against the elements. It's the difference between ordinary and perfection, between lasting beauty and fading wear. But to achieve that perfection, it takes something special. PPF masters are not just installers. They're sculptors of the unseen. With every stretch of the film, every adjustment, they chase an ideal. Any imperfection threatens the integrity of the work. One air bubble, one misplaced corner. It's the difference between success and failure. The margin for error, nearly non-existent. It takes years to master this skill, to understand how the film responds to every contour, every angle, to feel the car's shape beneath your fingertips and anticipate where it needs the most protection. This is not a job for the impatient. It's a job for those who know that true craftsmanship is invisible to the untrained eye. But to those who understand, it's everything. Dedication, precision, protection. This is the art of paint protection film.